Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V on mobile. Many players dream of taking their favorite open-world adventure on the go, and while a native mobile version doesn't exist, there are several fantastic methods to make it happen. We'll explore the best approaches, ensuring you can enjoy the vast world of Los Santos from almost anywhere. Get ready to transform your mobile device into a portable gaming powerhouse. Cloud gaming is one of the most popular and accessible ways to play Grand Theft Auto V on your mobile device. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, part of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the full PC or console version of the game. You don't need a powerful phone. The heavy lifting is done remotely. Just ensure you have a strong, consistent internet connection, preferably over 50 megabits per second, for the best experience. Another excellent method is remote play, where you stream the game from your own PC or console. If you already own Grand Theft Auto V on a computer, you can use Steam Link. For PlayStation owners, PS Remote Play is your go-to. This setup requires both your gaming system and mobile device to be connected to the same local network, ideally via a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, for minimal latency and a smooth gameplay experience. Before diving in, remember a few key things. A stable and fast internet connection is paramount, especially for cloud gaming. While touch controls might be available, a Bluetooth controller will significantly enhance your gameplay, offering precision and comfort. Always check the specific requirements of your chosen service or app, including any subscription fees. With these tips, you'll be cruising through Los Santos on your mobile device in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.